Tired of staring at that awesome new skin, knowing your Vbucks balance is drier than the Sahara? Well, today I'm going to show you how to turn that Steam gift card collecting dust into glorious Vbucks. First things first, scratch off the back of your Steam gift card to reveal the code. Then, open up Steam, click on Games at the top, and select Redeem a Steam Wallet code. Enter the code carefully and hit Continue. This adds the gift card amount to your Steam wallet. Now, launch Fortnite through the Epic Games Launcher. Make sure you are using the Epic Games Launcher instead of launching through Steam. This will give you the option to use your Steam wallet. Once you're in the lobby, head on over to the item shop or the Vbucks purchase section. You'll find it under the Battle Pass by selecting a new skin or navigating the Store tab. Choose the amount of Vbucks you want to buy. When you get to the payment screen, you should see Steam Wallet as an available payment option. Select it. If you don't see it, ensure Fortnite was launched with your Epic Games account and the Steam wallet has enough money to cover the transaction. A Steam window will pop up asking you to confirm the purchase. Just confirm and complete the transaction through Steam. And that's it. Your Vbucks should now be in your account, ready to spend on that skin or battle pass you've been eyeing. Enjoy.